Welcome to clue number 4 of our year-long Mystery Crochet Along. I hope you are having a great time so far. You can probably tell that our project for this year is a circular mandala. And I know we've talked about this recently. The circle is an ancient symbol of connectivity and community, connection, continuity, eternity, and so much more. I personally am obsessed with crochet projects. They just feel so complete and they're just uniquely stunning. So focus on each stitch this month and revel in each moment that you get to spend working on this project. So here's clue 1 where we started out. This is the center of our project. Then we added on this gorgeous little wavy section for clue 2. And last month we worked all these fun little stitches. And now we're on to clue 4. Now this 4th clue is super easy and it will add a fun little bit of excitement to your project. We're gonna learn how to work a 5 double crochet popcorn stitch. To work your popcorn stitch, go ahead and start by working a double crochet into that next stitch. So there's 1, and we're gonna actually work 5 into that same stitch. So work a second double crochet into that same stitch. So there's 2. Yarn over, insert and pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So there's 3 double crochets into the same stitch. Let's work a 4th one. And let's go ahead and do 1 more. So you have 5 double crochets into that same stitch. Pull up a little bit of a loop, go ahead and remove your hook, and then jump back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you're going to insert your hook into that first double crochet that you worked into that stitch. Grab your yarn and go ahead and pull that through and cinch that up, and you have a cute little popcorn. And that is it, a fun little popcorn stitch for you. So have fun crocheting all your little popcorns this month, and I will see you next month with another clue.